Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another Square video for today. So August 5th, that's when Square will be announcing their Q2 earnings. So as always, I like to make these types of videos of what can you expect from that earnings report. So what can you expect from this video? Basically a quick look at the key highlights, the key numbers from their previous earnings. We're going to especially look at the specific number for Bitcoin because obviously since then Bitcoin has been taking a very big hit. So let's see how that will impact Square's Q2. Obviously, they had a great beat on earnings per share, 41 cents. The estimates were 16. Right now, the estimates are 30 cents. So let's see if they can continue on beating those estimates because they've been doing so for the last couple of quarters. We're also going to discuss the new acquisition of Crew and this new plan that Jack has announced on Twitter of building this decentralized finance platform based on Bitcoin. Now, before I continue with this video, I just want to thank today's sponsor, the Motley Fool. And again, these are my views and my views only. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me find the latest growth stock and innovative company. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services, the Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool's stock advisor service, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have returned over 500%. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more this year, you can visit www.fool.com/couchinvestor or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if Stock Advisor is right for you. Now let's dive into this. Alright, so first up, quick look at their Q1 earnings report because I still believe this was probably one of their best quarters yet. So as we can see here, gross profit almost $1 billion, 964 million, up 79% year over year, up quarter over quarter as well, very nicely on that front. Adjusted EBITDA $263 million. Sellers gross profit up 32% year over year to almost $500 million. Very important number. Cash App gross profit also close to $500 million, $495 million, up 171% year over year. Net income at $39 million. Obviously this huge number right here was just a one-time thing. All right, and last thing is obviously the total net revenue. That was $5.06 billion in the first quarter, up 266%. But that's including Bitcoin. Now, excluding Bitcoin, total net revenue in the first quarter was $1.55 billion, up 44% year over year. Now, regarding the gross profit, I don't know if you can see it quite well, so I'll just read it out loud. During the first quarter of 2021, we saw significant growth in Bitcoin revenue year over year. While Bitcoin revenue was $3.51 billion in the first quarter, up approximately 11 times year over year, Bitcoin gross profit was only $75 million or approximately 2% of Bitcoin revenue. So obviously with the price of Bitcoin going down, with maybe trading volume going down as well, these are the types of numbers we should be looking at for Q2, and these are the types of numbers I will be mentioning in that video as well. I would also like to see an updated numbers of how many users Cash App actually has currently. Obviously we know that they are acquiring customers for as little as $5. So that's incredible. Let's see if they can maintain that small acquisition cost. Now we're also probably going to see a rise from the seller side because well, with the economy opening up, more restaurants, more shops are opening up as well. So you can expect some great numbers from that side as well. Now let's jump into the next topic of this video is obviously the acquisition of Crew. So last week Square announced that they are going to acquire a company called Crew to strengthen the workforce management offerings. Now Square today already offers a couple of ways to manage your team, have better communication all around. And this acquisition will provide sellers with an integrated one-stop shop for messaging, scheduling, tracking, and paying their team members. They continue by saying Square's mission of economic empowerment starts with enabling anyone to easily begin taking payments. And since then, we've built an innovative ecosystem of tools to help sellers start, run, grow, and adapt their businesses. As sellers grow their businesses and teams, we're committed to helping them easily manage the daily operations of their workforce. That's why we're thrilled to add Crew's powerful technology to our ecosystem and welcome an extremely experienced and knowledgeable team to the Square family. So think of it like acquiring a company like Slack, but with a little twist. Now, I do like that Square doesn't shy away from mergers and acquisitions because that's one of the ways to grow faster. You acquire great businesses that fit your vision, that fit your business model, and you just add that to the existing product, adding a lot of values. We've seen that with the acquisition of Karma Tax, where you can manage your taxes via Cash App. We have seen this in Europe with the acquisition of Verse, even though apparently nobody really knows Verse in Spain. And we've seen this with the acquisition of Tidal. Now it obviously remains to be seen how they're going to monetize the Tidal side of the business, how they're completely going to integrate everything that Square stands for with Tidal. And lastly, obviously we cannot make a video regarding Square without talking about Jack and Bitcoin. So again, last week Jack tweeted out something new. Square is creating a new business joining Seller, Cash App, and Tidal, focused on building an open developer platform with the sole goal of making it easy to create non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized financial services. Our primary focus is obviously Bitcoin. Its name is TBD. The name is actually TBD. It's not the name will be determined later on. That's the actual name. Now you might ask yourself, how is this different from Square Crypto? Well, Jack also answered that question. So he says here that Square doesn't give direction to Square Crypto, only funding. They choose to work on LDK and are doing an incredible job. TBD will be focused on creating a platform business and will open source our work along the way. So there you have it. Basically, they announced the decentralized finance side of Square with this new platform. Now let me know down in the comments below what you think about those moves, the acquisition of Crew, this new Bitcoin platform, what you expect from their earnings. Let me know down in the comments below. I'm extremely curious of how Jack will explain this new Bitcoin platform to the analysts during the earnings call. Obviously, I'll make a video about that as well. But that will be it for this video. Again, let me know down in the comments below what you think about Square as a company as a whole. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.